So if I'm looking at using liquid text for a matter which is kept at the stage of admission, which is sort of the first hearing of the complaint, where we're required to satisfy the court of why our petition is supposed to be entertained or required to be moved forward to the next stage. At a stage of admission, as a litigator, I'm looking at not just my document, but also any other pleadings which may have been filed by, let's say, the state or any private party who's on the other side. So I will also need access to their documents. And in my workspace, I can create a sort of flow of my arguments because I can think about my narrative, how I want to approach the argument, make my pointers, use the link to specific parts of the pleadings or documents which I would want to reference or read out to. At the same time, I can also create bookmarks or highlights and have extracts of particular points, which could be topic-wise or category-wise or even timeline-wise. So depending on how the flow of the conversation between me and the judge would go, if there are any queries that I am asked by the bench which require me to jump either to a timeline or require me to jump to a specific part of somebody else's pleading and not my pleading, or to jump to a case law which I want to refer to, I can have all of that categorized on the notebook, on the workspace area, which will then help me navigate quickly, even between workbooks, to sort of address those points. That I think is most helpful. Also, the feature that helps you to highlight certain parts of the document that you want to read or reference as you go on a particular page is very helpful.